Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday, February the 18th, 2022. I've not so good news because we have only two regular Sudokus. Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. There's no additional, no extra puzzles. Let me show you. What I will do, yesterday's newspaper, there's also no additional, and I've solved the rest of the puzzles of the Wednesday edition. So what I will do is the Tuesday edition. I have, I believe, 4 puzzles left. So I will continue with the Tuesday edition. So today, 2 days in a row, no additional, no extra puzzles. And by the way, the news of today, yes, it's a windy day today. Look, we have a big storm coming, storm Eunice, and yeah, just prepare for this storm. And I hope there are no damage, a lot of damage, people's houses, because it's too windy and stormy day. Yes. Anyway, let me start with the first one. Sudoku Light. Sudoku Light number 4143, I believe. Yes. 4143. Before I start, I always count up printed digits as well. We have 9 big squares with each 4 printed digits. So 9 times 4, 36 printed digits. And when you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars, Sudokus in the additional, well, should be a 1 star. You need to be faster than 15 minutes. That's my time limit. Well, with 36, should be more faster than 50 minutes. Because for 1 star, we have 27 printed digits. This one, 36. Okay, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number shall I pick? How about the 8 in the third column? 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Alright. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Okay. Alright. Then the following number. Following number. How about the 1 in this column? The 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Alright, then how about the number Yeah, the number 3 then. 3 in this row. The 3 in the middle row. So the row below. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this column, first column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 3, number 3. Okay. How about let me see the 5 in the third row, the 5 in the second row. So the first row, only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5's are used. I can see digit number 4, number 5. Okay. Then. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 in this column. 2 in the column next. And last column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 2. Alright. Then. How about 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and the 9, 7 and the 9. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see that 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see that 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7's are used. I can see. Digit number 6, number 7. Yes. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 9 it goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 it goes there. One box left in this last column for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 4 in the last column, 4 in a column next. So that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So the row below, the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 7, number 4. So 2 numbers left. The 9 is missing and the 6 is missing. So here should be the 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 9 goes there. 6 and the 9, we have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 9 goes there. 6 and the 9, we have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 9 goes there. 6 and the 9, we have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 9 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Faster than 50 minutes, told you. Yeah, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in these numbers. Almost 4 weeks, I'm analyzing those center boxes of the big square. Maybe you can see a pattern. Maybe I can see a pattern. I do not know. Well, we have here 457, 457, 918, 918, and 283, 283. So here we have, let me see, the 8 as a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we have one pair, the 8. Alright, thank you. And I will see you in a minute with the second regular Sudoku. Sudoku heavy. How heavy? Well, I do not know. We will see. Until then, bye-bye for now.